Hello guys, this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an intern in Lexis and Company and you're watching LexClick. In this video, I will talk about the rights of an arrested person. We all know that the Indian legal system is established on the platform of innocent till proven guilty. An unlawful arrest of an individual can be violation of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, which states that no human shall be denied of his right to life and personal liberty except if established by law, which means that the process must be fair, clear, and not arbitrary or oppressive. So, coming to the different rights of an arrested person, first is right to know the grounds of arrest. It is also stated in the CRPC, section 15 of CRPC says that every police officer with authority to arrest someone without a warrant must inform the person getting arrested about the crime for which he is arrested and other relevant grounds for the arrest. It is the duty of the police official which he cannot refuse. Then section 50A of the CRPC makes it compulsory for the person or police official arresting a person to inform of the arrest to any of his relatives or even friends who may have interest on the same. Then the second right is right to be produced before the magistrate without unnecessary delay. Section 55 of the CRPC states that in case a police official is making an arrest without a warrant, then he must produce the person arrested without any unnecessary delay before the magistrate within the jurisdiction or before a police officer in charge of the police station, depending upon the conditions of the arrest. Third is right to be released on bail. Section 50 clause 2 of the CRPC provides that arrested person has the right to get released on bail by making arrangement for the securities and informing his of his rights when arrested without a warrant for an offence other than a non-cognizable offence. Then right to fair and just trial. So Article 14 of the Indian Constitution states every individual is equal before the law, which means that all the sides in legal dispute must be treated equally. Therefore, the legal provision regarding the right to a fair and just trial can be extracted from the Indian Constitution as well. Then right to consult a lawyer. Article 22 clause 1 of the Indian Constitution provides that every arrested person has a right to choose and elect his own lawyer to defend him in the court of law for whatever crime he may or may not have committed. Then section 303 of the CRPC also allows every alleged convict or criminal the right to be defended by a lawyer of his choice even if the criminal proceedings against him have already begun. Then right to free legal aid. Article 39A of the Indian Constitution is an effort towards securing justice instituted Article 39A to provide free legal aid to the people in need. The same right has been reaffirmed in the dispute of Khatri versus Bihar case law, in which court held that the state must provide free legal aid to the poverty-stricken accused persons. Then right to keep quiet is also a right that is of an convicted person. Right to be examined by a doctor. Section 54 of the CRPC asserts that if an arrested person claims that medical examination of his body would lead to a detail which would dismiss the fact of commission of the crime by him or some detail that might lead to evidence towards commission of the crime by some person other than against his body, the court has complete discretion to order for a medical examination. So this was all about the rights of an arrested person. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.